Hey everyone! Today, we're checking out the top 5 adventure motorcycles under $5,000 in California. If you love exploring both city streets and off-road trails, these bikes are your perfect companions. Let's dive in! Starting off at number 5, the KTM 390 Adventure. Engine and performance. 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, lightweight, quick acceleration. Price in California, $4,700 to $5,000 used. Parts and maintenance. Dealerships available. Maintenance slightly pricier than Japanese bikes. Best use. Aggressive adventure riding, mix of street and trail. Pros. Fast, maneuverable, stylish. Cons. Maintenance cost higher, not ideal for extreme long tours. This bike is perfect if you want something fast, fun, and eye-catching. Number 4 is the Kawasaki Versys-X 300. Engine and performance. 300 cubic centimeters parallel twin, lightweight and agile. Price in California, $4,200 to $4,800 used. Parts and maintenance. Parts are available, easy to maintain. Best use. Light adventure, city to small off-road trails. Pros. Agile, beginner-friendly, sporty design. Cons. Not ideal for heavy off-road. A great option for beginners or light adventure riders. At number 3, the Honda CB500X. Engine and performance. 500 cubic centimeters parallel twin, smooth and reliable for city and highway. Price in California, $4,800 to $5,000 used. Parts and maintenance. Honda parts widely available, low maintenance costs. Best use. Versatile for both city riding and weekend adventures. Pros. Reliable, smooth handling, versatile. Cons. Slightly heavier for tight trails. CB500X is the perfect balanced adventure bike. Number 2 is the Royal Enfield Himalayan 410, rugged and ready for adventure. Engine and performance. 411 cubic centimeters single cylinder, strong torque for rough terrain. Price in California, around $4,900 new, slightly cheaper used. Parts and maintenance. Authorized dealerships. Parts may take longer to ship. Best use. Off-road adventures, long trips, rugged trails. Pros. Strong off-road, comfortable, durable. Cons. Slower on highways, some maintenance needed. The Himalayan is ideal for serious adventurers. And finally, at number 1, the Suzuki V-Strom 250/300. Engine and performance. 250cc, 300cc parallel twin engine, smooth and beginner-friendly. Price in California, around $4,500 new, less if used. Parts and maintenance. Easy to find Suzuki parts. Affordable maintenance. Best use. Daily commuting, light off-road, short weekend trips. Pros. Lightweight, fuel-efficient, comfortable. Cons. Limited off-road power. The V-Strom is the ultimate all-rounder adventure bike under $5,000 in California. Quick summary. Serious off-road and long trips. Himalayan 410 or KTM 390 Adventure. Mixed city and light adventure. V-Strom 250/300 or CB500X. Beginner-friendly light adventure, Versys-X 300. All bikes are under $5,000 in California, reliable, and supported with parts and service. Choose based on your riding style and adventure plans. That's our top 5 adventure motorcycles under $5,000 in California. Whether you want rugged off-road fun or a versatile weekend bike, there's something for every rider. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the best motorcycles and tips for California riders. Comment below, which adventure bike would you pick for your next ride?